a solution, right? So see, this has a solution, so therefore it already works. But if we create a new one, this is stupid, right? To put that number like that, but here is my problem. This one you could do whatever you want. You could even say it's pending, whatever you want. So priority of I'm not gonna make a priority. I can make a priority of 10. Why not? Create it. See, this time, if you look at the top one, there wasn't a solution. Because it's not a solution, you see a sun. So now what we're going to do, we're going to solve that. And the easiest way to do that, we double click on the sun, go inside the sun, and just say, add another action, link to a new screen. And this screen will be edit, how about add solution. Give it a bar, create, done. And over here, we're going to drag over. Ooh, let's see how we're going to do this. This might not be exactly what I want to do, but let's see. Okay, so let's add a form. Let's say this is ticket. And what we're going to do, kind of similar to what I talked about doing before, but this time we're going to do it for real. We're going to say update ticket. You could do priority. You could be the number. We don't let you change because the number has already got a number, and we don't want to mess up the system. So go to fields, remove the number, and then we're going to add a new text field in here, and add a label, text label, text component. I don't know why it's always default to like a medium, but I'm more. I don't even know what size that is, that name. But okay, so we're gonna say solution, and we're gonna give this a multi-line, so it can be as long as you want it, and we're gonna actually drag it down, guys. Check this out. Move it up a little bit, drag it down a little bit. It's snapping. I don't know if you noticed that. It snaps as you drag it. So alright, and I'm going to group those together. And then here, I'll just give it a name of solution. Right? And then, so this is the case where we might have not provided a solution over here. It might be better. So let's just see though. So we're gonna go to fields. We want to update. We don't need to. We already know the problem. We could change status. Actually, we could add status too, right? But this is adding solution. So let's say that we don't want to change status for now. So solution, the name. Even with these things, we don't necessarily need in there. To be honest, to be completely honest. So what I could do is just get rid of this, add a button. I think I want to do that instead. Add a button right here, and so that it conforms to the same thing as the other one. Let's just do that. Is it this one? No, it's this one. Is it that one? I think it's that one. And then we're going to say add solution. And then we don't need no plus there. And then we can actually make the solution quite long, in case they want it longer. So what else we could do, by the way, is we're going to add a text up here. And then we're going to add the problem right there on the screen, because we're going to connect this through clicking on this right here, right? Because we clicked on this to create the thing. See, once we double click on this, it will create a line. It goes to this guy over here. So this is automatically going to be moved over to here, the ticket. So what we can do is go over here and go to per ticket problem text, and we can display it right there, the problem and the solution, and that should be enough. Then we got to go into our manual step here, because we did update current ticket. And I think it's also going to pass me the other one too. So we'll say update current solution. This is better because it's also the current ticket. And then we're going to go in here. We're going to go to form input. We're going to do solution. That's what we should have done earlier. I just had like a aha moment. Okay, so there we go. And now when we, last thing we have to do is we need to go back to the other page. So link back. So now we're going to link back. Okay guys, this is enough for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, hey, welcome back. Next video. In this video, we're just going to test it, see that it's... Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, you know, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.